Everyone, welcome to Literature Vibes. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Age of Revival, which comes after the Age of Chaucer, from 1450 to 1550 AD. This period, also known as from Chaucer to Spenser period. So, in this era, old literature was given more importance, and people were reading a lot about old literature on Greek and Latin language. All the writers of this period started to look back on ancient writings and started to imitating them. That's why this age is known as the Age of Revival, because in this period, old literature, which were almost suppressed due to not being used for a long time, were brought in front of everyone in a new way. Some historical events of this period were in 1450, Cade's Rebellion happened. Cade's Rebellion took place in England on 13th June against King Henry VI. Okay, War of Roses happened between two families, the House of Lancaster and Yorkshire. Both were fighting against each other that who is going to get the throne of England. And most interesting part, the printing press was invented in this period. In this period, so many kings ruled in England, and I'm putting it on the screen. Please take a look. I will discuss a little bit about each of them, okay? So, Edward IV, son of Richard and Duke of Yorkshire, he was the key figure of the War of Roses. He ruled from 1461 to 1483 AD. Next, his son Edward V. He ruled only 1 year because he was deposed and murdered by King Richard III, his uncle, at the age of 13 only. Richard III was the brother of Edward IV and ruled only 3 years from 1483 to 1485. Henry VII. He was the first monarch of the House of Tudor. He is known for successfully ending the War of Roses. He ruled from 1485 to 1509. And Henry VIII. He was a phenomenal ruler in England in a Paki sense. The most interesting fact about him is that he had 6 wives. He was survived by 3 children, each of whom sat on the throne of England. His children, Edward VI, Mary I, Elizabeth I. Edward VI, son of Henry, and his third wife, Jane Seymour. Mary I, daughter of Henry, and his first wife, Catherine Aragon. Elizabeth I, daughter of Henry, and his second wife, Anne Boleyn. In my next video, I will discuss about Henry and his 6 wives. So Henry VIII ruled for a long time, and several changes happened during his reign time. English Reformation. In 1527, Henry wanted to divorce Catherine Aragon and wanted to marry Anne Boleyn, but Pope refused. Then Henry announced England's separation from Roman Catholic Church. Statues. In this period, statues which changed England forever. English Parliament, Royal Navy. During the reign time of Henry VIII, Navy was invented. So Henry is known as the father of Royal Navy. After the death of Henry VIII, his son Edward VI got the throne at the age of 9 only. He ruled from 1547 to 1553 AD. In his reign time, there were social and economic problems, and he was interested on religious matters. At the age of 15 only, he died naturally. And after the death of Edward VI, Mary I got the throne, and she ruled 5 years from 1553 to 1558 AD. She was the first lady ruler in England, and during her 5 years of reign, she prioritized religion above all. She wanted to restore Catholicism in England. But Mary's goal of a Catholic England failed because she died on 17th November 1558 AD. She is also known as Bloody Mary. So, after the death of Mary I and as a successor, her half sister Elizabeth I got the throne, and she took the nation back to Protestantism. So, let's take a look at some of the important writers of this period. Thomas Watt, who was also a courtier, was a teenager he was a teenager when he gained his position at court, and he is known as the father of sonnet. He introduced Italian sonnet into English language. Thomas Malory, an important writer of this period, was an English writer and the author of Le Morte d'Arthur in a classical English language, published by William Caxton in 1485. He was an English knight during the War of Roses from 1455 to 1487 AD. But Malory later ended his life in custody in Colchester, accused of still more crimes involving robbery and the stealing of horses during the reign of King Edward IV. So that's all about this period. I hope this video will help you a little bit. And yes, in my next video, I will discuss about Henry and his six wives. So stay tuned with my channel. Thank